Good morning, Canada. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Look at that, guys. Holy cow. Oh my goodness sake. It's a winter wonderland again in Calgary, guys. Holy cow. It's minus 14 today, but feels like minus 23 degrees. Huh? I know, eh? Look at that. Kuya. Taya, anuhan, pugawaan. Okay, get out there now, Kuya. Get out there, please. Feels like minus 23 degrees today, guys.
We're literally gonna go straight into school.
Yes,
I do not want to wait.
If it is very cold like this, kids go straight in school, so it's good, hey? It's dark inside because ano covered ng snow. Get inside now, guys. Get inside, please. Holy macaroni!
Yo, this feels like a nightmare.
What nightmare?
Yo, I'm definitely not putting it.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Good job, Kuya, for helping mommy. Tararan tan tan tan. But awanti gloves mo yung kajonig. Kajonig?
No,
Huh?
never in my life.
Never in your life. You like to shop. You like to clean up anyway. Uh-oh, princess. Holy cow, look at my my yard, guys. Full of snow, snow, snow. Ooh. Oh my golly. Holy moly. Oh, you're right. You stay there, princess. Oh my goodness. And it's gonna be like this for at least a week. So, what can we do? We are in Alberta.
It was melting.
I know, but what can we do? This is it. This is Alberta, so. Ay, ikabil mo dyan eh. Napuno mo at awan gloves mo. At ani, i-open mo ata blue bean.
Ay, ala.
Ay, di green bean gayam. Di green bean.
The green bin.
Ha, ni di green bean deng. Ay, yung kapil ko lang di kwa.
Ay, ala, nagmayat ko ano. Oh, see.
You see that?
Eyes, oh.
Ikatim lang di black iji nga garbage. We just put this in our ano. And you don't have ano. Black bean supposed to be. Baka nga ma-open ta na frozen. Oh. Inya na ikargat ta.
Karton.
Allah, ikabil mo lang di karton, mabalin.
Karton kun ko amot.
Kasta. Awan. Dati ni.
Anya ti collection na daw, green.
Every Thursday. Anya oras na, Uwan, let's go.
Okay, ako ko yung nagmi-princess.
Uwan, yunig mon. Kasta lang, ti winter tayo.
Okay.
Nyaki day. We're going now.
OMG, what's happening?
What is happening, Calgary?
At least they like the snow on the main road is okay. Right, Mom?
Yes,
It's so
sir.
shaky now.
Thank you, my son.
It's so shaky.
So many, suddenly, we have so many snow today, guys.
Yeah, and 2 days ago, the snow was melting and you could see the grass.
Hey, this is Alberta, so what can you do, people? That's why driving is important in Alberta, people. If you come here to settle in Alberta, you need to drive. It's okay not to drive if you're okay,
Is that Rihanna? Is she walking?
but yeah, that's your friend walking
Yo, how
by.
is she walking in this cold weather?
Well, they're wearing their snow pants, so they're okay. As long as you wear proper winter gear, you'll be fine.
So shaky, Mom.
And it's a little slippery, so.
Oh,
That's true. Oh my
we're
goodness.
not going outside today. Oh my goodness.
Oh my golly, golly, golly.
We're not going outside today.
No, you guys go straight.
Yep.
You guys go straight inside the
Maybe we
school.
will have a line.
It's because, how can you people go like this? Are you kidding me?
How about Mr. Hughes School?
I hope Mr. Yo's call will go inside too. Otherwise, holy cow. Holy macaroni. Holy macaroni. Ay, slow car naman ito. Uy. Guys, welcome to Alberta. This is the winter here and it's just only third week of February. We have a very nice weather for 2 weeks. Snow are melting, like you know, and suddenly we have this snowfall. They have a warning here in Calgary, so yep. And doesn't matter it's snow or rain or snowfall, people are going to work. Okay, so anyway, thank you for watching. You drive safely, Albertans. Okay, bye bye. Bye guys.
Mom, you know when we were coming here, I fell because there was ice under the snow.
Oh yeah.
Love you.
Love you too, baby. You have fun, okay?
How about Morrison?
Huh?
How about Morrison?
What Morrison?
Is he coming?
Yeah, he's coming. Ha? Kitam ni ading mo.